Live checkers are under your seat. So pocket to find our safety card. Race had operator it's on our live checkers. We'll do the read of that. A little bit of low cloud and rain about, but nothing to worry about. So Rebecca, let's enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, guys. I just want to acknowledge the fact that yesterday, the 21st of November 2021, marks our official 3rd year anniversary since we arrived here in New Zealand. 3 years ago yesterday, we touched down in Wellington on a 1-year working holiday visa, and then we extended it for another year, and then COVID happened, and then we got an 8-month SSE visa extension, and then we got another SSE 6-month SSE open industry extension, and then what was recently announced, another 6 months till the end of June. So here we are, 3 years later. Time certainly flies, doesn't it? And despite the fact that we've been in New Zealand for that long, we still haven't been to the most wild, rugged part of New Zealand, Stewart Island. This tiny little island south of the South Island. Invercargill, in case you couldn't read it, this is where we are. Airport, and the plane's gonna go to Oban, Stewart Island. And there's 2 ways you can get there. Either you take the boat, which is 1 hour long. It's notorious for being a rough ride. So the chances of you getting seasick on this ferry ride, which leaves from Bluff to Stewart Island, is very high. Doesn't sound appealing, does it? Or the other option is you fly there. It's a 20-minute flight. Yeah, you get there a lot quicker. But the only thing is, we're not talking about a 737 commercial airliner or a Boeing 747 big plane. This is a 4-seater plane. It's a tiny plane. Between the two, round trip, it was about a $55 difference. We decided, let's just take the plane. We just have to deal with the anxiety of being in such a small plane. Anyways, this is the first time we're going to be getting in a plane that small, which is going to take off in about 1 hour and 8 minutes. So we're just finishing up our breakfast here at the Airbnb we've been staying at in Invercargill, and then we're gonna head over to the airport and fly to Stewart Island. Good that this is in Singapore Airport or O'Hare.
You have arrived.
It's a fucking Invercargill Airport. Tiny. There's like one little parking lot. You can't get lost. It's a loop. Stewart Island. We're gonna feel so good when we're up there and when we're landing once it's over. I'm nervous. Tiny plane. Ugh, tiny plane. Okay, check that there. Sorry? Oh yeah. Should I bring this as like a carry-on or?
Up to you.
Yeah.
No gas in your packs.
We have kind of like an aerosol mosquito repellent.
Oh, that's fine. It's
That's
just
all right.
The gas is free.
I can chuck that on there. All right, cool. Thank you.
That's there.
You want to know?
And that's done. We board at the gates on the far end of the terminal.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Feel a blister coming on?
Yeah.
I guess you still got to break in those shoes, eh? We're only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was he back there?
See the pilot.
Yeah.
much.
Thank you. That wasn't too bad. I have to say that landing was probably a lot smoother than some of the commercial flight landings that we've been on. He was a good pilot, but he also does this like 5 times a day, so he knows his route. I was a little nervous as we approached the landing strip. I saw it like through like the windscreen, and I'm like, is that it? That tiny little...
What reassured me was the takeoff in inverse,
Yeah.
because I was like, he needed no space.
Mhm,
He
to
drove
take
like
off.
2/3 down the tarmac
Yeah.
and then took off from there. So it was like, okay.
All right, I guess let's hop on the bus, and it's gonna take us into the center of Oban, the only...
Uban.
Uban? How do you
No,
pronounce it?
Oban.
You have a present. Oh, my phone. Where did that end up?
Pocket.
Oh, damn.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I was going to put on a pair of shorts, but I don't think I can be bothered.
Off we go. We made it.
Carry something. Give me something.
Here, you grab the sleeping bag, which I've dubbed the cannon because it's massive like a cannon, but keeps you warm on those cold nights.
Dubbed it the cannon.
Ling's dubbed it the cannon. Here we go. Stewart Island backpackers. No vacancy. At first we were only booked for 1 night in a private room, and then the other 2 nights we had to camp outside because they were fully booked, but then another night freed up, so we'll be camping the first night and the next 2 nights we'll be in a room. But that's the only reason why we brought our camping gear, was to camp for this 1 night tonight.
I'm just gonna go and check to see if it's ready.
Sweet.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. Oh, okay.
I got it
so-
confused. We're actually in the room tonight and tomorrow night, and there's a chance we might be able to be in a staff room on the 3rd night, so we might not need to camp. So we brought our tent and sleeping bags and all our gear for nothing, but hey, that'll be nice. I mean,
Because
it's...
Wednesday night is supposed to be really hot and warm. It's not raining.
They put cardboard in their hiking boots, Ling. That's a hack, life hack, to help dry your boots quicker. Stick some cardboard in there.
Oh, I thought it was for when they wear it.
There we are. I like the bedding. Kea bird over there, some prawns, killer whale, the orca, and Bahutakawa. We are all settled in here in Oban, the only town in Stewart Island. You can explore the town literally in 30 minutes. We just walked to the Foursquare, picked up some bread, and came back and probably saw like 70% of Oban. You know, that's it. That's the part of the charm of being here, is that it's pretty big in comparison to the size of the town, and Oban occupies like a tiny fraction of the entire island of Stewart.
I was just thinking, we need to hear a local actually pronounce Oban.
Oban.
Because we've been saying it like a bunch of Filipinos.
Oban.
Well, just like Oban.
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 Oban is a Scottish word.
I don't know, but we should maybe ask the owner of the
Oban?
hostel.
How do you pronounce it? You guys know? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next vlog.